We're out here at our Build She'll Build Boston site. Progress walk. We're down in the basement. Hopefully you checked out the videos where we walk around the exterior and we did the upstairs. Down in the basement now. So you can see we got a bunch of our walls framed up. A couple things to point out. You know, a lot of times in the houses I design, I might have multiple storage areas. This is obviously one of the storage areas, or I call it the dirty basement versus the clean basement. So this allows for, you know, you put ductwork, water heater, all that good stuff in here. One of the things I wanted to point out, we have our riser here. So everything on that side of the riser, we were able to get all the plumbing underground. The plumber worked the plumbing so that we can get the riser into the dirty basement. And the owner's suite bathroom, which is right behind the camera here, all that plumbing is going to come down. It's going to come down the wall here, and we'll be able to dump it into that riser there. And everything will go into the ground and then exit the house below grade. So this is basically the doorway to that storage facility. This is the fitness room here. You can see we have our 2 inches of closed cell that comes up the wall. Our insulator will attach to that, continue up and go into the joist bay area. You can see here, we made provisions for the bedroom there to have an egress window, but in putting in that well, I decided that we should put a second window in. Yes, it's still the fitness center now, but someone might choose to frame this off in the future and turn the fitness room into maybe another bedroom, and we're already set up for that egress here. Plus, you know, when you're talking about life safety issues, having another means of escaping the house in a tragedy is always a good thing. So, you can see we have our bedroom here with our closet. Now, one of the things I wanted to point out here is you can see in the bottom of the closet here, we have this little pipe cap there. So that pipe cap is actually a clean out. So from that riser, the plumbing comes down to a position somewhere around here. It turns 90 degrees and goes over to a riser there. Well, if we ever had to snake this pipe, we could obviously snake that riser down to the corner, but if we wanted to snake around the corner in that way, we need access to it. So the plumber put that access in. It's going to actually have a lid on there that will be flush with the floor in our closet. Obviously airtight because it's a sewer pipe, etc. But, you know, burying that in the closet, getting that pipe aligned, little coordination effort. Plumber's doing a hell of a job. We got that all set. So, coming across here, and you can see here, I just wanted to point out, you know, we have sill sealer. That's one of my requirements. You can see it here also coming around the corner, but I like to thermally break all of my sills of the wall with the slab. Now, yes, we're fully insulated underneath there, but I still like to have that thermal break. Coming in here, this is just a hallway that services the bathroom here, the bedroom, the fitness room. Coming over here, this is a little storage space because we're going to have our stairway is going to come flying down from the first floor down here. This is a large media room, so the stairs will come down, basically open to this room. It's probably about on the order of about 31 feet by about 16 feet, so has the ability to, you know, you can have a nice couch, big screen TV, pool table, or some type of recreational stuff happening over there. Behind here, we have a just another utility space. The beauty of having that utility space or dirty basement on the other side of the clean basement is every one of these joist bays above, I have access to from that utility space. So I can jump up there with ductwork, plumbing, wiring, or whatever, and get it across the floor here above. Migrating down through here, we have, this is our last storage area here. We have a couple of windows. Of course, there's the doorway framed in. That'll be to our stairway that takes us up to the garage. We have one of our sump pumps over in the corner there. We have one on the other side of the house. We also have one of the 2 radon mitigation systems here. You can see the radon pipe coming up there. That'll come up, go over into the garage, and the fan unit will be installed out in the garage there. So, anyways, framing's moving along. This stuff's going to get started to fill up really quick as we're right on the heels of mechanicals, electrical, and plumber getting started here. We got to get the roof on, obviously, get this place dried in, get these windows in, and we'll get moving. So until next time, Steve Baczek Architect, we're out here at our Bill Show Built Boston site.